So guys, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to log your profile on Facebook. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video to follow each step carefully and avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So let's open up the Facebook app. Tap on the menu button and then go to settings. Then go to search bar. Here you have to search logging. Type logging here and you can see the first option, profile logging. Click on that. Now here you can log your profile. My profile is already logged, but if you want to log your profile you have to click on that log sign, but if you want to unlock, click that log sign again and your profile will be unlocked. So this is how you can easily log your profile on Facebook.